Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add grid lines on iPhone camera. To add grid lines on your iPhone camera for better alignment and composition, simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the camera option available there. Once inside the camera, you will get to see grid option available there. Toggle grid to on, which will look like green. Then once enabled, you will see grid lines on your camera, helping with framing your shots, aligning horizons and using the rule of thirds. But if you toggle that switch off, then there will be no grid option. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching. To add grid lines on your iPhone camera for better alignment and composition, simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the camera option available there. Once inside the camera, you will get to see grid option available there. Toggle grid to on, which will look like green. Then once enabled, you will see grid lines on your camera, helping with framing your shots, aligning horizons and using the rule of thirds. But if you toggle that switch off, then there will be no grid option. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.